Honorable members, you have to bear with me. I have some cervical problem. Just wait for a minute, na? What is happening? The chair is something you must have at least patience to hear what the chair is going to say. And that too I am saying something personal. Or otherwise I'll give it up, that one, and then go to other things. I have some slight cervical problem. The doctors have advised me that I should not bend, sit straight like this. वो नॉर्मली मेरा प्रवृत्ति से थोड़ा डिफरेंट है और थोड़ा हार्ड भी लगेगा, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज द रीजन. दे आर ट्राइंग टू एडजस्ट द चेयर ऑल्सो, how to suit it to the posture suggested by the doctors. The Sri Muralidharan, today all the papers listed in serial number 1 to 12.
Chairman.
Today's revised list of business on behalf of the ministers concerned.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues and other colleagues, Shri Thawarchand Gehlot ji, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar ji, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, Shri Mansukh Mandviya ji, Shri Krishan Pal ji, Shri Danve Rao Sahib Dada Rao ji, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, Shri Purushottam Rupala ji, Shri Ramdas Athwale ji, Shri Nityanand Rai ji and Shri Kailas Chaudhary ji. I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 12 in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology. Dr. Anil Agarwal.
Honorable Sir, I wish to lay the 22nd, 23rd, 24th and 25th reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Information Technology as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas. Sri Narayan Das Gupta.
Sir, I rise with your permission to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi on reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas. 1. The 5th report on the demands for grant for the year 2021-22 of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. And the second, sir, the 6th report on review of the progress in production of non-conventional fuel with the specific reference to biofuels. Thank you, sir.
Motion for election to the Committee on Public Accounts. Sri V. Muralidharan to move a motion for election of 7 members to the Committee on Public Accounts.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I move the following motion, that this House concurs in the recommendations of the Lok Sabha, that the Rajya Sabha do agree to nominate 7 members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts of the Lok Sabha for the term beginning on the 1st May 2021 and ending on the 30th April 2022, and do proceed to elect in such manner as the Chairman may direct 7 members from amongst the members of the House to serve on the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please raise their hands or say aye. Aye. Those against, please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Motion for election to the Committee on Public Undertakings. Sri V. Muralidharan to move a motion for election of 7 members to the Committee on Public Undertaking.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I move the following motion, that this House concurs in the recommendations of the Lok Sabha, that the Rajya Sabha do agree to nominate 7 members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Undertakings of the Lok Sabha for the term beginning on the 1st May 2021 and ending on the 30th April 2022, and do proceed to elect in such manner as the Chairman may direct 7 members from amongst the members of the House to serve on the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please raise their hands and say aye. Aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Motion for the election to the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. Sri V. Muralidharan to move motion for election of 10 members to the Committee on the Welfare of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I move the following motion. That this House resolves that the Rajya Sabha do join the committee of both the Houses on the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes for the term beginning on the 1st May 2021 and ending on the 30th April 2022, and do proceed to elect in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote 10 members from amongst the members of the House to serve on the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statement regarding government business. Sri Muralidharan V.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 15th of March 2021 will consist of 1. Consideration of any items of government business carried over from today's order paper. That is, it contains statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 14 of 2020, promulgated by the President of India on the 4th November 2020, and consideration passing of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2020 as passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Discussion on the working of the Ministry of Jal Shakti, discussion on the working of the Ministry of Railways, consideration and passing of the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill 2019. Second item, discussion on the working of the following ministries: Tourism, Food Processing, Industries, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Rural Development, both to be discussed together, and Tribal Affairs. Item number 3, consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. Demand for grants for 2021-22 and supplementary demands for grants for 2020-21. Both may be discussed together. Item number 4, consideration and passing of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020 as passed by Lok Sabha.
Honorable members, first of all, what I have approved, agreed, they have to be taken. There are 18 notices by various members of the House. All are important. Sri Harnath Singh Yadav. I am just telling you, I have first approved this, then I will come to that also, and then we will dispose it.
अभी 21 फरवरी को मातृभाषाओं के संवर्धन
Bipendra ji, please, notice is after 0 hour. After 0 hour, you don't want 0 hour to be taken up.
आपका अत्यंत प्रेरणादायी और जमीनी सत्यता
You want discussion or disruption?
में स्वागत किया गया। मैं इसके लिए देश
You
के
want
समस्त
discussion or
मातृभाषा
disruption?
प्रेमियों की ओर से
Discussion.
करता हूं।
Please, बैठ जाइए.
महोदय,
Please, बैठ जाइए.
इससे पूर्व 16 फरवरी को
I am going to come to that.
के कुछ वाक्य
You can't dictate to me.
आपने लिखा, मान्यवर, हम अपनी मातृभाषा को हीन भावना से देखते हैं और अंग्रेजी प्रवीणता की सतही बौद्धिकता ओढ़े
Ask
रहते
all
हैं।
of them to sit first.
किसी भाषा के लुप्त
Leader
होने
of the opposition should ask them to sit first, and then I can't disrupt it.
लुप्त होने से उनके साथ हमारी समृद्ध विरासत भी खो जाती है। यह बहुत बड़ी हानि है जिसे हम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। महोदय, सभी देश अपनी भाषाओं के सम्मान और समृद्धि के लिए सजग हैं, परंतु भारत इसका अपवाद है। हिंदी तथा हमारी सभी भाषाएं भारत के मन का संगीत हैं और भारत के जन जन के हृदय की धड़कन है। माननीय राज्यभाषा समिति के 8वें खंड की सिफारिश संख्या 5 में माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी ने स्वीकृत कर आदेशित किया है कि सर्वोच्च राजकीय पदों पर बैठे सभी, विशेषकर जिन्हें हिंदी बोलनी और पढ़नी आती है, वे अपने भाषण वक्तव्य हिंदी में ही दें और पढ़ें। इस श्रेणी में राष्ट्रपति सहित सभी मंत्री भी आते हैं।
हो गया अन्ना जी, हो गया ना, हो गया। See, I have allowed There will be, if provided you all sit together. Sit quiet. Not together, sorry.
Sir, we have already given a notice under Rule 267. Nearly our 4 young leaders that regarding farmers issue problem and whatever 3 laws are passed in this house, and against that the farmers of Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and throughout
Not details, not
throughout
details.
the country, they may not be visible here, but
We are
throughout
not
the
discussing,
country.
we are not discussing the issue. You just
No, we
wanted
are
to
not.
interrupt.
Sir, I am requesting you, you allow under 267 rule to discuss this issue so that thoroughly we can discuss, let the government
Right.
take whatever decision.
Okay, correct.
Till then, no, it will not be fair without taking notice of these 3, we can't proceed, sir.
Please.
That's why
Please.
I request
You
you
made
to
your-
suspend all the rules
You-
and take it.
Please, wait here. No, you know, leader of the house, no, leader of the opposition, they are both are important that way. Honorable members, I have received we are not having discussion. He raised the issue and I have to give a response to that. So there is no need to give reply. Please. And don't make these comments like this. आराम से बैठ के कमेंट करते रहे तो मतलब क्या है? वो आराम कैसा होता है? वो आराम है क्या? See, rules 267, I have gone through it. Sri Deependra Huda, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Sri Tiruchit Siva, Sri Rajiv Satav, Sri Pratap Singh Bajwa, they have given notice about the farmers. Just, I have, whatever notice I have received, I am talking about it. About the farmers issue and the need to discuss it and to suspend the other business of the house. And subsequently, Mr. Ashok Siddhartha has given a notice again on the issue of petroleum prices and the price rise. That we have already disposed of yesterday. About these 4 notices also, I would like to tell this house in this session itself, first part itself, has discussed about farmers' issue and farmers' agitation, and then we have taken it up. So I am not going to allow it. I have disallowed the notice, and there are. Sanjay, you go to your seat. Sanjay, you go to your. ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. So no, you don't want discussion. You have discussion on farmers, Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, food processing. This is listed for discussion, and almost I think 2 hours or 3 hours is given. You are not interested in discussion. I am allowing discussion on farmers. A part of the BAC meeting, it has been decided that we will be discussing about farmers, this thing also. And also, there is 3, 4 plus 4 plus 4, almost 12 hours on the appropriation bill and finance bill, where you can raise all these issues. If you are really interested in discussion, please follow the discussion route, and then if you want only disruption, then I leave it to you. Yeah, this is not the way. This is not the way. This is not going to help you. This is not going to help the Rajya Sabha. This is not going to help the country also. मैं सबसे विनती करूंगा, कृपया जाके अपना सीट पे बैठिए. ये कोई पद्धति नहीं है. ये पद्धति नहीं है. कानून को वापस लेना है तो उसका तरीका है, आपको मालूम है. And then if you have the numbers and you can prevail upon the government, if the numbers are not there and then you want to disrupt the house, it's not fair. So I once again appeal to all of you, please go to your seats. You are not doing any any justice to the farmers' cause. You are only 18 members, 0 over matters which are very important have been admitted by me. They are all eager, including members from this side. They want to raise the issues. If you don't want discussion, you want to continue disruption, I leave it to you. The House is adjourned to meet at 12 p.m. today.